Can we have the runner-ups for the badminton? That is Manju and Uday. Okay, so now the most awaited segment of the park, cricket. So coming upon to the runner-ups of girls, I would request initially the captains to come forward and then we'll proceed with the team. So I request all to the stage as the runner-ups for girls cricket. Give them a big round of applause, guys. Okay, so now I would request the winner team and to begin a huge round of applause for Nidhi Kumar, guys. I would request the whole team to join for the celebration again. Can we have a huge round of applause for our team, please?
Play the tournament fast. 20 points.
This Akash MVP is making here. Sharan team से भाषा.
Hey, first runner up.
हाँ runner up. तो runner up से MVP नहीं.
That is player of the tournament.
Player of the tournament.
First player of the tournament.
రా నైట్ లేదన్నా
For girls, then for boys.
ఏ నాకు 11 నాకు
Okay, guys, wait. I need the girls to stay for a moment. We have one more title, that is Player of the Tournament Girls. So the award for players in the tournament. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Okay, indeed, the player of the tournament goes to Nidhi Kumari for girls. I request Nidhi to please come upon to the stage. A huge round of applause. Okay, so now coming upon to the boys segment, the match I witnessed today, the neck-to-neck, the cutthroat. I would now like to welcome the runner-ups for the tournament, Aryan and team. I would request Aryan to come upon to the and we see the team would join. Aryan, you need to go first in the team. I need to go, then the team will join. Just a second. Because the frame is limited, it's not because. A huge round of applause, guys. A huge round of applause. Guys, you people have won. Still you have to clap for the runner-ups. Guys, come on. Okay, now I request the team to join for a group photograph. It wouldn't be possible without the team effort. Please. Okay, now we have the winning team with us. I will request the most awaited segment, that is, I request Sharan to kindly come upon and have a huge round of applause. The team. Second charge. And the second charge back by this boy was absolutely wonderful. Indeed, the sportsman spirit is actually the true essence of any game. Can we have a huge round of applause for both? I would request both the teams to join. Have a moment, guys. Have your moment. Have your moment. कैंपस में कुछ हो रहा है. Best wishes, guy. A huge round of congratulations to you people for the winning. I request the runner-up team to join up for the photograph after this. Guys, please join in. Please join in. Aryan and team, please join in. Guys, please join. Come on, guys, cheer up. Can we have a huge? Okay, guys, we have one more title left. I request everybody to get back to your places so that we can move with the last one. Guys, Aryan, just a second. Yeah. Okay, so the most awaited title for boys, the player of the tournament. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Okay, so it's none other than Basha. Congratulations for Basha. Okay. So indeed, the tournament was wonderful and fantastic. I will request everybody to make sure that we are proceeding with the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to cast the vote of thanks. Sharon, just a second. Just a second. Yeah. So the spirit of the tournament is actually the students, but we need a flame fire to actually ignite. And for that, I request everybody to clap for Kolai sir, because it wouldn't be having possible without his support and guidance. The flame should go on as long as you want. I cast the vote of thanks on behalf of the whole Cyber Gurukul student team to Kolai sir, Madhu madam, Karan sir, Pankaj sir, and everybody who was involved in making this event a great success. Indeed, the volunteers, the sports committee, Rohit, Akash, Manju, and everything for all of you. Cheer for yourself. Can we have a hip hip hooray? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! So that we can take a clip. Everybody come this side, please. We're feeling hungry. We need to head for the dinner. Come fast. Hello, Akash, Rohit. Guys, everybody. Sumit, Swadeshmata.
Yeah, bhai.
Everybody who's sitting there. Audience, everybody come here. Everybody who's standing there. Abhishek, Yatharth, please join us. Come first. Jaldi. We don't have time, man. We are rolling with the cameras. Chinmay there. Come this side fast. Who do we see there standing in the sky blue shirt? Come, join us. Join us, everybody. Guys at the back, come join us fast. Chinmay, come fast. Join us in the sky blue. I don't know the names. Please join us. Okay, Rohit, please. Okay. I'll, just a second. Let everybody come. Yeah, I'll come. Okay, guys, do you need special invitations? Join us, please. Come. Fast, we are getting late. I'll here. You want me to lay down? I'll lay down. Come on.
Lay down, man. Lay down.
Okay, guys. So not hear you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Signing off, guys, for this tournament. A huge round of applause for everyone.
हेलो गाइस, अभी पूरा एकदम जो मैच हुआ था, टूर्नामेंट तो अभी यहाँ पे प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा था, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता अभी आपने देखा है, तो आपको कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा ना? तो अभी यही देख रहे हो ना, सब कुछ चल रहा है एकदम पूरा शानदार है, बढ़िया है, मस्त है। फिर मिलते हैं, देखा है ना सब कुछ, तो अच्छा लगा ना? हाँ, तो फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।